I'm Robin Higgins, and this is atom identification. Okay, so the way that we identify all atoms is by their number of protons. The periodic table is arranged in least protons to most protons, starting with hydrogen and ending with a really huge, unstable radioactive element. So, one way that we can identify our atoms is by looking at the nucleus. So if we know what our nucleus looks like, we can simply count the number of protons and determine what element we're dealing with. So in this case, blue is the number of protons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 protons. And if we look it up in our periodic table, we'll find that 6 protons refers to carbon. So anytime we find 6 protons in our nucleus, we know that that means we have a carbon atom. Let's look over at this nucleus. So this, again, blue for proton, has exactly 3 protons. And this refers to a lithium atom. So anytime we have 3 protons, it's a lithium atom. And so if we have a schematic of our nucleus, that's a really easy way to have atom identification. Now, what if we don't have a little picture of the nucleus? We're just given information. What if we say the atomic number equals 8? Well, the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So once again, you could look on your periodic table for atomic number 8, which means 8 protons. In this case, this refers to oxygen. So that's another way. And so remember that we also have our atomic symbol. So oxygen will look like this, O, because that's the atomic symbol. And then we have our atomic number here on the bottom. And up on top, we have our mass number. And this is the number of protons plus neutrons. So if we're given this, obviously we already know it's oxygen, but this is the breakdown of neutrons and protons. And lastly, what if we just say how many protons we have? Like, what if we just say we have 79 protons? This is a lot more, but once again, the periodic table just goes sequentially from 1 to over 100, and 79 happens to refer to element Au, otherwise known as gold. So pretty much the only way we can tell what element we're dealing with is to know how many protons it has. I'm Robin Higgins, and this is atom identification.